Are you looking for the best stepper machines? In this video we will look at some of the best stepper machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. BowFlex Max Trainer Series. The BowFlex Max Trainer Series offers a dynamic fitness experience by seamlessly blending the smooth, low-impact motion of an elliptical with the calorie-burning efficiency of a stepper. With its adjustable dial, users can customize their workout intensity, choosing from up to 8 levels of resistance to meet their fitness goals. The interactive LCD display enhances the user experience, featuring 2 workout programs to keep workouts engaging and effective. One standout feature is the unique burn rate display, providing real-time information on calories burned per minute and helping users set activity level targets. This feature adds a motivational element to the workout, allowing individuals to track their progress and stay focused on their fitness journey. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness Twist Stepper. The Sunny Health and Fitness Twist Stepper is a versatile fitness equipment designed to offer an effective and challenging workout experience. Its twist action feature enables users to tone their thighs and buttocks while engaging in a cardiovascular workout that targets deep muscles in hard-to-reach places, all without putting excessive stress on joints. Constructed with heavy-duty steel, this stepper ensures durability and provides years of reliable use. The oversized, slip-resistant footplates contribute to a secure and stable workout session, allowing users to focus on their exercises with confidence. Equipped with a digital monitor, the LCD display keeps track of essential workout metrics, including total count, time, calories burned, and rep count. This feature adds a layer of convenience and helps users monitor their progress throughout their fitness journey. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness. Sunny Health and Fitness offers the ideal solution for those looking to stay active and fit with their original stepper. This portable stair-step machine boasts a sleek and compact design, allowing users to achieve their cardio goals anywhere, whether it's in front of the TV or while working at a standing desk. Designed for a full-body workout, the original stepper engages the core, glutes, arms, and shoulders, providing a holistic fitness routine. The inclusion of resistance bands ensures that every part of the body receives a comprehensive workout, targeting over 20 core muscles and enhancing toning for the chest, back, and shoulders, all while engaging in a low-impact aerobics routine. Number 4. Xiser Commercial Mini Stairmaster. The Xiser Commercial Mini Stairmaster is a top-notch fitness equipment known for its exceptional features and design. Crafted from cast aircraft alloy, this stair stepper boasts durability and reliability, ensuring a long-lasting workout companion. The ergonomically optimum design enhances the user experience, providing a comfortable and effective exercise session. One of its standout features is its lightweight nature, weighing only 14 pounds, making it highly portable and convenient for on-the-go fitness enthusiasts. The added benefit of requiring no assembly adds to its user-friendly appeal, allowing users to jump right into their workout without any hassle. What sets the Xiser Commercial Mini Stairmaster apart is its proud heritage, 100% made in USA parts and labor since 1977. This commitment to quality and American craftsmanship adds a layer of trust and credibility to the product. Number 5. Stamina SpaceMate Folding Stepper. The Stamina SpaceMate Folding Stepper is a versatile fitness equipment designed for low-impact cardio workouts, making it ideal for effective calorie burning and cardiovascular conditioning. With its folding feature, it's not just effective but also practical for those with limited space. This stepper provides a total body workout by engaging major muscle groups including calves, glutes, thighs, and hips. The inclusion of handlebars with multiple grip positions allows for upper body engagement, targeting the back, arms, shoulders, chest, and core. The adjustable resistance levels, facilitated by 2 adjustable angle hydraulic cylinders, offer a smooth stepping motion and allow users to customize the intensity of their workout.